United Kingdom. Where is your citizen, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? United Kingdom, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, your citizen? United Kingdom keep silent because of the evil United Kingdom are supporting in Nigeria. That is why United Kingdom kept quiet because of the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Your citizen was kidnapped in Kenya. The United Kingdom keep silent because of the evil that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is condemning in this country, Nigeria. Because of the genocide that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is condemning in this nation, Nigeria. And the United Kingdom keep quiet. United Kingdom, where is our citizen, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? United Kingdom, where is our citizen? Because of the evil that you are supporting in Nigeria, make you to keep quiet. We are living in a wicked country. We are living in a wicked generation. Do you see how this country, they want to give Fulani land all over Nigeria? But talk about Biafra, they will arrest you. Talk about Oduduwa, they will arrest you. Talk about what the evil that Fulani herdsmen are committing in Nigeria, they will arrest you. They will try to silence you. We are living in a wicked country. We are living in a wicked generation. United Kingdom, I have not seen you condemn Luga in Nigeria, United Kingdom. I have never seen United Kingdom condemn Luga in Nigeria. But United Kingdom do not support Biafra and Oduduwa. They don't want to hear about it. But the same United Kingdom are supporting Luga in secretly. That is why United Kingdom kept quiet. That is why United Kingdom kept quiet about Luga. Because they are in support of Luga. They are in support to give Fulani land all over Nigeria. United Kingdom, why are you people are so wicked? Why you people are so wicked? They kidnap your citizen from Kenya. And since then, you don't want to take any action because of the money, because of the broad money that you people are getting in Nigeria. Because of the broad money you people are getting in Nigeria, you people keep quiet. Time will come, Africa will rise up. United Kingdom is a disgrace that all the countries you colonize in Africa, they don't want you in Africa. Wicked world, we are living in a wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. And the Kenya president, Kenya president, why? Because of money. Why? Because of money. You arrest him because of money. They paid you money because of money. That is a broad money. Because of money, Kenya, you arrest him, kidnap him. Kenya president. Why Africa fight yourself? Why Africans are wicked? Kenya president, because of money. And you arrest this innocent man. Kenya president. Kenya, you need to apologize. If you not apologize, this thing that you do will be recorded in the history. There was a time a man stood up, fight for his people, fight for the evil that is happening in Nigeria. And the Kenya president was among the people that kidnapped him and arrested him. Kenya president, he has been recorded in the history that the evil that he has committed. Kenya president, your children shouldn't suffer this. Kenya president, your children shouldn't suffer this evil you committed. This man, Nnamdi Kanu, is like Mandela in South Africa, fighting for his people. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Slaughtering Christians, mass burial everywhere. And this man stood up, condemning the evil. And those evil politicians pay Kenya president money to arrest this man from Kenya, to kidnap him from Kenya. Kenya president, Kenya president, you need to apologize for this evil you committed. Don't think money is not everything. Money is not everything. He has been recording the history, the evil that Kenya president have committed. United Nations, you people have gave order to Nigeria government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and since then there is nothing. United Nations, why are you people keeping silent? Are you people waiting when he will die before you people will come up? United Nations, I don't understand. If Nigeria government is stronger than United Nations, I want to know. Because since 2009, they have been slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. United Nations do not want to take any action. United Nations, I want to know if Nigeria is stronger than United Nations. Let me know. I want to know the sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have committed in Nigeria. But there are some politicians in Nigeria that have sponsored Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, and they work freely. Nothing happened to them. President Muhammadu Buhari released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Court have gave order to release him. Release this man, let him go. Release him. And now I heard that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick. He's very sick, and they don't care to release him. Only the sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have committed in Nigeria is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood up against the butchering of Christians in Nigeria. Only the sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have committed in Nigeria is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want Biafra. Because since 2009, there have been slaughtering people in this nation. Nigeria government don't want to do anything. And we know that this thing that is happening in Nigeria, this genocide, is sponsored by Nigeria government. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood up, said, no, my people will not follow suffer this thing. Let me separate my people from all this wickedness. Let me separate my people from all these wicked things that is happening in Nigeria. And his people even be among people that sold him. Kedu ihe unu jile Nnamdi Kanu onye kwuru n'ọtọ wee na condemn ihe ọjọọ na-eme na this country. Now condemn on us condemning all the innocent blood that is shedding in this nation. Trying to serve his people, and his own people is among the people that sold him. I want to tell all the Igbo that is involved to sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you people to know that this money that you people have collected is the blood money. You people have collected the blood money, and you know that this blood money have inside effect. If this blood money not affect you, it will affect your children. Can't you see that all the Fulanis and Boko Haram that they slaughtered thousands of people in Nigeria? The Nigeria government do not want to harm them. Only what they are saying is that, okay, let's give them land, let's give them land, let's give them land. Do you see? They are so clear of Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, but they arrest this man because of this man is condemning Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Because of this man is condemning the evil that is happening in Nigeria. Because of this man, he stood up, said, no, my people will have freedom. That is only evil that this person can have committed. But the main people that have been shed thousands of blood of Christians in Nigeria, they are walking free in Nigeria. That is the wickedness. Wickedness in high places. But I want to tell President Muhammadu Buhari to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And all the people that sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all the people that collected money, is the time that you people will return those money. Because those money is a blood money. All the people that sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all the money that you have collected, is the time for you to return that money to the person that gave you that money. Return that money is a blood money. Because that money will carry your generation. Because Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria is our politicians that have sponsored Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria is our politicians that is stealing our money. That are stealing our money. They are the problem of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of Nigeria. Fulani herdsmen are going to Yoruba land, Hausa land, Igbo land, all over Nigeria, slaughtering people in Nigeria, requesting their city, their land in Nigeria. And the Nigerian government have never tried to arrest all the people that are saying to give Fulani land all over Nigeria. Have you seen the wicked country? They want to give them land all over Nigeria. Some governors, some politicians say, okay, give them land. They support evil. They support Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Wicked country. But some of the governors in this east, some of the governors in Nigeria are against, if you talk about Biafra, they will tell you stop talking about it. But there are some governors that is sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Talk about Biafra in this east. All the governors will tell you, no, don't talk about it. Okay? But there are some governors, politicians, both the president of Nigeria, saying that they should give Fulani land, Boko Haram land all over Nigeria. And the people keep quiet. That is a wicked country. This man that stood up condemning evil, and the people arrest him. President Muhammadu Buhari, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of Nigeria. Only the evil committed is say, I need Biafra. That is the only sin where this man committed. Leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alone. And again, all these Nigerian politicians that they are paying you money, and you are telling the United Nations that Christians has been not being slaughtered in Nigeria, that everything is okay, that Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen is not doing anything in Nigeria. You politicians, they are paying you money. You are just come to lie because of money that you are having. Listen to me, time will come, and very soon, those money will started destroying your families very soon. And very soon, all these politicians in Nigeria, sickness, we want to know where it will come for you people. Mark my word. all these politicians in Nigeria that are sponsoring Boko Haram and finding husband in Nigeria, very soon, your children, your wife, and sickness where you don't know where it come from, will come and started fighting against you. Because the blood that you people have shed in this nation is crying against you people, is crying against your generation, is crying against your family. Very soon, the anger of God, not the anger of God, the anger of God is already here in Nigeria. The anger of God is already here because the blood of innocent people is crying against this nation.